There once was a guy who got a free pair of shoes from a very cool brand in Japan who decided to buy the first pair that they had that fit his collection strategy once they became available for sale. That guy is me right here. So RayMar, which the pair that I had said that it was made in Japan, but this pair is actually made in China, but designed in Japan, is a great outfit out of Japan, super, super high quality for very, very low cost. And so I decided I was going to thank them and reward them in a way for sending me the free pair of shoes by purchasing. They only have 2 styles available for sale, and one of them are these Wholecuts. And so I picked out these, and look at this. This is a 6 eyelet Wholecut. Very cool chisel last. Very interesting. And just a very, very basic, simple looking shoe. Very hard to make, even though it only has 1 seam. But if you look at this, it's pretty well done. Got a bit of a wide waist, but very clean. Very clean heel. And sometimes the simplest things to do are the hardest. So this is a hand welted, clearly machine stitched, but look at that stitch density by machine. And it looks like they actually put an edge in the welt so that they were able to sink the stitches, which is kind of cool. Just another level of the time and care that they took in making this pair of shoes. So it's got a really interesting patina. As you can see in the light, it changes around. So I'm going to get some natural light photos of it and take a look and see what this is. You can see the hand welted, or the hand lasting marks on the insole. And let's take a look at the other one. Here you are. Again, with this really interesting patina. The sole finishing is not that great, but again, I mean, it's actually pretty, I mean, it's nice, but you can see there's some little marks there which are dodgy, but for under 300 bucks, I'm really not worried for a hand welted shoe. And again, just relatively clean all the way around. And you know, they did some nice waist work. 270 welt, and a really nice cropped heel. So Wholecuts are supposed to be simple. The real thing that you're going to see on this is the patina. So take a look at the cover that I did for the video, because that's going to be a picture from like my real SLR camera and not just from the phone.